In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to get dark mode on your Android phone or iPhone, any phone like that. I'm going to show you the easiest way, okay, and the legit way. So what you need to do first is go to your Snapchat account, okay. Make sure your Snapchat will be updated version. Then what you need to do next is click on the settings option in the top right corner like that. After that you have to just scroll down and find the app appearance option like that, and after the voice scan option, okay. So make sure you watch the full video to get the dark mode on your Snapchat account. After that you have to click on the app appearance option like that. Then here you can see here is two option, always light and always dark. What you need to do is click on the always dark option like that. We're gonna click on it. And here you can see here is the option dark mode setting updated, okay. Then you can pretty much have to click on the restart now option like that. Then this is magically happen, you have to go to a new profile like that. This is magically happen that you get the dark mode option on your Snapchat account. This is the easiest way. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.